So we've got for you today the unboxing of Montblanc's Diamond Classique ballpoint pen. It's a simple black precious resin pen finished with a diamond. So in the box we've got standard Montblanc pen box and then the service guide with guarantee, standard service guide. So it's just a standard Montblanc pen, platinum fittings, except that it is capped with a Montblanc shaped diamond. Let's see. So yeah, it also comes with a certificate to certify the diamond. And the diamond is 0.03 of a carats, G color, D being the clearest, colorless grade, G obviously being a bit lower than that, and then SI, slightly inculled clarity. So not a particularly good diamond, and definitely not a very notable diamond. However, the shape is quite stunning. Don't think I'll really get it to pick up on the camera, but it is quite well shaped to the Montblanc mountain peak, and the certificate says that it took about 8 years of crafting the technique for processing this diamond of this shape. So it is quite an interesting feat on that front. Shaping diamonds is never easy. Now for comparison, this is a 0.23 carat round diamond. Difference is noteworthy, of course, but at 0.03, sort of an eighth of the size of the round diamond, doesn't look much smaller, and I think that's down to the shape of the cap in which it's encased. The bulge, the dome acts a bit as a magnifier, I think, because 0.03 is incredibly small. I wish they'd placed the dimensions of the raw diamond or along with the grade, but there you have it. So this is a pen my wife owns. She wanted it because she enjoyed the feel of Montblanc's cartridges, Montblanc's ballpoint cartridges. But frankly speaking, she doesn't use it anymore because it's too much of a hassle to carry around, and in a hospital it goes missing very quickly. So what we ended up doing was basically taking sort of the $20 Montblanc ballpoint pen cartridge and shoving it into a regular pen. That way she had the feel and the texture of using a Montblanc cartridge without the hassle of carrying around however much this was worth, with fear of losing it. It's definitely something that I would recommend if you're interested in writing quality rather than looks. It definitely does it on the looks front. The platinum fittings are quite clean, and the diamond definitely makes the pen stand out amongst all other generic Montblanc pens. But I think it's completely useless if you can just use the ballpoint pen cartridge in a regular pen, especially if you're just after the writing benefit. I'm never going to review the writing quality of a Montblanc pen or fountain pen because I think it's a moot point. It's unnecessary to discuss such things. They've always written flawlessly, and you can always interchange the nibs. So if you've got a preference for a nib style, just send it back to Montblanc and they'll replace the nib. So on that front, these are reliable, easy to use, easy enough to convert. Just find the right cheap pen and slip it in and it works. And you get the benefit of a nice Montblanc without worrying about losing $1,000 worth of precious resin and platinum fittings. I would definitely recommend it to someone who wants a pen that's not particularly flashy, easy to use, easy to maintain, but that still has something that makes it stand out. The diamond at the top is neat enough. But if you simply want a useful ballpoint Montblanc, definitely just buy the $20 cartridge refills and find a way of using this.